Pakistan's ISPR has released a video on Pakistan's military activity during the May 2025 conflict with India, showing satellite imagery claiming damage to India's Ludhiana airbase. However, verification shows the image is actually from 2016, once again highlighting that the Pakistani military uses outdated visuals and fake images to shape a misleading narrative for its own people. Bangalore-based GalaxEye has launched its mission Drishti satellite aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9, marking the world's first OptoSAR system combining electro-optical and synthetic aperture radar sensors. Indian Navy submarine INS Sindhukesari visited Colombo, and the visit focused on enhancing interoperability and operational synergy with the Sri Lankan Navy. Indian Army's Aerofort Division under Western Command has equipped BMP infantry combat vehicles with flamethrowers. The DRDO chief has announced that the air-independent propulsion system is now in advanced stages at Larsen and Toubro facility, before handover to Mazagan Dock shipbuilders for integration on Calvary-class submarines. The DRDO is advancing a 300 kilowatt directed energy weapon capable of engaging targets up to 20 kilometers, that will be mounted on mobile 8x8 platforms, offering rapid engagement, low cost per shot, and effectiveness against swarm threats. Noida-based IG Defense has developed an anti-drone jammer that will be mounted on vehicles for convoy protection and defense of high-value assets against drones and swarm attacks. The Secretary of Defense Production inaugurated MIDHANI's state-of-the-art Aerospace Fasteners facility in Hyderabad that will manufacture high-precision fasteners using special steel, titanium and superalloys. India is pushing to raise BrahMos missile indigenous content from 83% to 95% through talks with Russia. Achieving 95% localization would lower costs, strengthen supply resilience, and enhance export competitiveness. TATA Advanced Systems Limited has unveiled an indigenous 30mm Crewless turret for the FICV program, armed with a 30 by 165mm automatic cannon, 7.62mm PKT machine gun, ATGMs and smoke launchers. It offers 360 degrees rotation and plus 65 degrees elevation for multi-role engagement, including urban and aerial threats. Featuring AI-based target tracking, advanced fire control, and stabilized sights, the system enables accurate firing on the move with high first-round hit probability. Dynamatic Technologies and Germany's DRDO AG are positioning the jointly developed AeroForce X for India's 25,000 crore rupees program for 87 male UAVs. Focusing on full sovereignty in design and software, the Indian partner Dynamatic Technologies retains ownership of source code and mission data, enabling independent upgrades, weapon integration, and mission adaptation without foreign approval. The platform offers up to 40-hour endurance, 1.3-ton payload capacity, and a modular architecture for multi-mission roles including intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance, maritime patrol and electronic reconnaissance. India's Project Kusha is drawing interest from Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, as a cost-effective alternative to high-end systems like the S-400 system. The DRDO has indicated around 85% single-shot kill probability, rising to about 98.5% with multiple launch firing. Bharat Electronics and Bharat Dynamics are scaling production in the UP Defence Industrial Corridor, targeting 400 missiles annually by 2032. Today's top 3 comments.